Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I will be unboxing a giveaway that I won from Bougie Fragrance. So if you want to see exactly what I won, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. I just received this package. The mailman just left, so I had to hurry up and do this video. Okay, this is the way it came. It just came in a brown box. Okay, and all I did was already open it, but I haven't looked in it. Okay, she had it wrapped real good, real good. And this is the box. And it also came with a card. So let me open up the card. You all can't see, but when I opened up the cards, it came with this. And she said, Cassandra, thanks so much for your support to our channel. Our hope is that you do a review of this fragrance on your own channel. Wish you all the best. I gave you a shout out on our channel. Hope you don't mind. Much love, Bougie Fragrance. Don. Thank you so very much, Don. You and Photographic Guy. I want to thank you all for your support for my channel also. Let's check out this fragrance. Like I said, this is how it came. Let's see. Open up paper. Let's check it out, child. Okay. And this is the fragrance. And it is called Dolce Gabbanna Velvet Sublime. And you just take the top off like that. Now, from my understanding, this is a very expensive line that Dolce & Gabbana has. So, oh, I love the bottle. I really do. Let's hope I like the juice. Oh, really do. Gold. It said Dolce & Gabbana, 1985. Okay. So I love the red velvet around here, the gold, the heavy bottle. I like the plate they got right here. And it just said Dolce & Gabbana Velvet Sublime, the name of it. And then you can see the juice. Let's hope I like it. Okay. Okay, check out the spray. Like the spray on it, that's nice. I'm scared to smell it. Dawn, I'm scared. Because most of all the fragrance I like, you like. Let's see. Very interesting. Dawn, I kind of like this, Dawn. Let it dry down some and see. Trying to see, can I find any notes while it's drying down? Now, this fragrance was released in 2011. I'm looking down because I'm trying to find the notes of it. This is supposed to be a floral fragrance, and it's for women and men. So this is unisex. Okay, at first sniff, I do smell oranges. Some kind of orange. Citrus type. And it got some kind of flower. I think it's like neroli, something like that going on. Interesting. Let me put it on my arm. Now, when you first sniff, when you first spray it, and if you sniff time you spray, you smell nothing but alcohol. So you need to let it dry down a little bit. Like I said, I do smell the orange, as well as, I think it's neroli, something like that. Because it is an odd smell, and most of the time, when I smell something odd like this, it is the neroli. Now, this is a pleasant smell. You can really smell the oranges and the neroli. The neroli really overpowered the orangeness in it. Like I said, the first 10 minutes after you spray it, you do get that alcohol type smell. Then once it dried down some, you get a lot of that neroli smell in it. And like I said, I knew it had to be neroli or something, because that smell, I don't really jive with. I mean, not unless it got a lot of other stuff with it and it's not overwhelming like it is in this scent. And like I said, the first 10 minutes, I didn't like this at all. But now that it's dry, really dried down, I like it. I like the sweetness that coming from the oranges. It's not overly sweet, but you can smell it, it's there. Like, by me just sniffing it, like I said, I smell something orange and I smell the neroli. And once I looked on Fragrantica, I noticed it doesn't have but 3 notes. And the 3 notes are an African orange flower, neroli, and mandarin orange. So that's where you get the orangeness from. I really do like it. I think I'm gonna keep, like I said, this is just my first impression. So right now, I like it. I really do like it. This to me smells like something for a mature person. Now, I will continue to wear this fragrance, and I will do a updated video and let y'all know exactly so far as the longevity of it, and really if I really end up loving the scent or just is okay. Right now, all I smell is the neroli now, because the neroli is really outweighing the orangeness. Once again, I want to thank Bougie Fragrance for sending me this fragrance. So I will leave her link in the bottom section of my video, so you all go show love to my girl Dawn from Bougie Fragrance. And don't forget Photographic Guy.